Have you ever felt like your computer is speaking a language you don't understand? It's slow, it's glitchy, and you have no idea why. It's like trying to decipher Moss's ramblings about the internet being a series of tubes. Well, fear not. There's a solution, and it's called Kerish PC Doctor. It's like having a tech expert on call 24/7, but without the awkward small talk and lingering smell of pizza. Kerish PC Doctor is here to simplify your digital life, making sure your computer runs smoothly and you don't tear your hair out in frustration. Intrigued? Let's dive in. In the simplest terms, Kerish PC Doctor is like a Swiss Army knife for your computer. It's a single powerful tool that does it all, keeping your PC healthy, fast, and secure. Imagine it as a personal trainer, cleaner, and bodyguard all rolled into one, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure your computer is always in tip-top shape. It takes care of all the complicated technical stuff so you don't have to. No more deciphering error messages or spending hours on the phone with tech support. Kerish PC Doctor is here to take the headache out of computer maintenance. One of Kerish PC Doctor's most impressive features is its real-time system monitoring. Think of it as having a watchful guardian constantly checking your computer's vital signs. It keeps track of your CPU usage, memory consumption, and hard drive space, alerting you if anything seems out of place. This early warning system allows you to address potential issues before they become major problems, preventing those dreaded system crashes and data loss. It's like having a smoke detector for your computer, but instead of beeping loudly, it gives you clear, concise information and helps you fix the issue. We've all been there. You try to download a file and your computer moves slower than a sloth in molasses. The culprit? Junk files. These digital cobwebs build up over time, clogging your system and slowing everything down. Kerish PC Doctor acts as your digital cleaning crew, seeking out and eliminating these unnecessary files. It cleans your browser history, cache, cookies, and temporary files, freeing up valuable disk space and giving your computer a much-needed speed boost. It's like a spring cleaning for your digital life, leaving your PC feeling fresh, clean, and ready to take on the world. Section 5. Surfing safely. Malware protection for peace of mind. The internet can be a dangerous place, like a digital version of that dodgy back alley you were warned about. Viruses, malware, and other online threats lurk in the shadows, waiting to infect your computer and steal your precious data. Kerish PC Doctor acts as your personal bodyguard, providing robust malware protection to keep you safe from harm. It scans your system for potential threats, quarantining and removing any malicious software it encounters. With Kerish PC Doctor on your side, you can browse the web with confidence, knowing you're protected from the digital nasties that lurk online. Section 6. A user-friendly experience. Simplicity is key. Let's face it, nobody wants to wrestle with complicated software. The frustration of trying to navigate through endless menus and options can be overwhelming. It's not just about the time wasted, but also the mental energy drained in the process. We've all been there, staring at a screen full of incomprehensible menus and jargon, feeling like we need a degree in computer science just to change the time. The experience can be so daunting that it makes you want to give up altogether. Kerish PC Doctor is designed with simplicity in mind. It aims to eliminate these frustrations by offering a user-friendly experience that anyone can navigate. Its user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for the most tech-challenged individuals. The design focuses on clarity and ease of use, ensuring that you can find what you need without any hassle. Everything is clearly labeled and easy to find, with straightforward instructions and helpful tooltips to guide you along the way. These features are designed to make your experience as smooth as possible, so you can focus on what really matters. You don't need to be a tech whiz to use Kerish PC Doctor. It's as simple as that. Whether you're a seasoned computer user or someone who only uses a computer occasionally, Kerish PC Doctor makes it easy for you to keep your system running smoothly. The simplicity of the software ensures that you spend less time troubleshooting and more time enjoying your computer. Section 7. Kerish PC Doctor versus the rest, why it stands out. Now you might be thinking, there are tons of PC optimization tools out there. What makes Kerish PC Doctor so special? You're right, there are other options available. But Kerish PC Doctor stands out from the crowd for several reasons. Firstly, it's an all-in-one solution. It combines real-time monitoring, junk file cleanup, malware protection, and more into a single, comprehensive package. Secondly, it's incredibly user-friendly. Unlike some other tools that bombard you with technical jargon and confusing menus, Kerish PC Doctor keeps things simple and straightforward. Finally, it's incredibly effective. Kerish PC Doctor delivers on its promises, providing tangible results you can see and feel. It's not just about making your computer look good on paper, it's about making it run better, faster, and safer. One of the standout features of Kerish PC Doctor is its real-time monitoring capability. This means that the software continuously keeps an eye on your system, identifying and resolving issues as they arise. This proactive approach ensures that your computer remains in optimal condition without you having to lift a finger. Additionally, Kerish PC Doctor offers a high degree of customization. You can tailor the software to meet your specific needs, whether it's focusing on security, performance, or both. The software's intuitive design makes it accessible for users of all skill levels, from beginners to tech-savvy individuals. And let's not forget about the regular updates. Kerish PC Doctor is constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being added to keep up with the latest technological advancements. This commitment to continuous improvement ensures that you always have the best tools at your disposal to keep your computer running smoothly. In summary, Kerish PC Doctor is more than just a PC optimization tool. It's a comprehensive, user-friendly, and highly effective solution that delivers real results. Whether you're looking to boost performance, enhance security, or simply keep your system in top shape, Kerish PC Doctor has got you covered. Section 8. The benefits. Why you need Kerish PC Doctor. By now, you're probably starting to see why Kerish PC Doctor is a game-changer for everyday computer users. This software is designed to address the most common and frustrating issues that plague our computers, making it an essential tool for anyone who relies on their PC for work, entertainment, or personal use. But let's recap the key benefits. Kerish PC Doctor offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to a wide range of needs, ensuring that your computer remains in top-notch condition. Improved performance. Say goodbye to lag and slow loading times. With Kerish PC Doctor, your computer's performance is optimized, allowing you to enjoy a seamless and efficient user experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on important projects, this software ensures that your PC runs at its best. Kerish PC Doctor optimizes your system, making it run smoother and faster. It intelligently detects and fixes issues that can slow down your computer, providing you with a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness. Enhanced security. Browse the web with confidence, knowing you're protected from online threats with Kerish PC Doctor's robust malware protection. In today's digital age, security is paramount, and this software offers advanced protection against viruses, spyware, and other malicious threats. Increase storage space. Reclaim valuable disk space by eliminating junk files and unnecessary clutter. Kerish PC Doctor performs thorough cleanups, removing temporary files, cache, and other redundant data that can accumulate over time, freeing up space for the things that matter most to you. Peace of mind. Enjoy peace of mind. Knowing your computer is in good hands with Kerish PC Doctor's 24/7 system monitoring. This feature continuously checks your system for potential issues, ensuring that problems are detected and resolved before they can cause significant damage. In short, Kerish PC Doctor is an investment in your digital well-being, saving you time, money, and frustration in the long run. By maintaining your computer's health, enhancing its performance, and protecting it from threats, this software allows you to focus on what you do best, without worrying about technical issues. So why wait? Experience the benefits of Kerish PC Doctor today, and take the first step towards a smoother, safer, and more efficient computing experience. Section 9. Conclusion. A healthier, happier PC. In a world where technology plays an increasingly vital role in our lives, having a reliable and efficient computer is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Kerish PC Doctor is your trusted companion on this digital journey, ensuring your computer remains a valuable tool rather than a source of stress and frustration. So why struggle with a sluggish, vulnerable, and cluttered PC? Give Kerish PC Doctor a try and experience the difference. Your computer will thank you for it.